Hi guys, I hope you've had some time away from um, being at home. Sorry, and I hope you're practicing social distancing and you're aware of all the cleanliness. I hope you're also doing your work. But yeah, let's not waste time. Let's get into what we have for today. We're looking at proportional relationships and how they relate to ratios and percents. Okay, so let's look at a ratio, a simple ratio, right? Ratio 3 is to what? To 4. Okay, we know 3 is to 4. We found out that in this question, right, it relates to the number of tigers and the number of what? And lions in a particular place. Since tigers come first, we're going to give that ratio 3, and lions is the second one. We're going to make it 4. So we have 3 is to 4. Now guess what? We're told that there are 24 lions, and they want us to figure out how many tigers are there. We're told that 24 lions, we have to figure out how many tigers are in the zoo. Okay? So remember the proportion is 3 is to 4. So we know that the lions are here, the tigers are here. We're going to write 24. And remember, I taught you this. Whenever we don't know something, it's unknown, we're going to give it a variable. Okay, so I'm going to choose a variable, and the variable I'm going to choose is x. Okay, I'm going to put this x right here. So here's what I'm going to do next, right? I'm going to cross multiply. Okay, I'm going to cross multiply. I have 4x is equal to 72, right? Remember, we're solving for x. We're not solving for 4. So what we do to the left side of the equation, you got to do to the right side. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to divide by 4. And if we divide the left side by 4, we got to divide the right side by what? By 4. So we find out that x is equal to what? 18. X is equal to 18. Okay? So there are 18 tigers. 18 tigers. And 24 lions. Okay? Using this proportion, 3 is to what? Is to 4. Okay, let's go on. Right? Now we're dealing with percents. Okay, we're going to deal with percents. We've dealt with ratios and how to find a ratio. Okay, we're going to deal with percents. Peter has a soccer ball. Peter's ball costs $20. His tax is equal to 10%. Okay, now how much tax did he pay? How much tax did he pay? Okay, so remember the 10% is the same thing as saying 10 over 100. Okay, so we have 10 over 100, right? We know the cost of the ball is $20, so we're going to put the $20 here at the bottom, and we don't know how much tax he paid, so we're going to make that x. Remember, x is a variable, x is unknown. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to simply do cross multiplication. Okay, we're going to multiply 10 by 20 and 100 by x. You have 100x is equal to 200. Now, once again, we're not solving for 100, we're solving for x. So what you do to the left side of the equation, you got to turn around and do to the right side of the equation. So we're going to divide by 100, and we're going to divide this side by 100 too. This cancels out that. This cancels out that. You have 2. X is equal to 2. Therefore, his tax is equal to what? $2. Okay? The amount of tax he paid at 10% is equal to what? $2. Okay, we're going to look at one last thing. All right? We're going to look at one last problem on discounts. Okay? Remember, you could go to the store and you could get a discount on your Nikes. You could get a discount on your Adidas. Let's look at somebody who got a discount on her shoes. Okay, her name is Lena. Her shoes cost $60, but she got a 40% discount. 40% discount. How much were the shoes? Okay? So here's what we're going to do. Remember, 40% is equal to 40 over 100. Okay? And we know the cost of the shoes, so we put that as 60. Okay, we don't know how much he paid, so we're gonna put that as X. Okay, here's what we're gonna do again, cross multiplication. Just keep on saying that, cross multiplication. So we're gonna cross multiply 100X is equal to 60 times 40, 2400. We're solving for X by itself, so we divide 100X by 100, and what we do to the left side of the equation, we do to what? The right side. Yeah, you got that. I see you, Sean. No, I'm just joking. All right, we're going to divide by 100. Okay, we cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. X is equal to 24. Okay, so we've now found his discount. Okay, the discount was what? $24. But is that how much she paid for the shoe? No. Her discount was $24. Now we got to figure out how much did she really pay for this shoe. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to subtract the total amount, the shoe cost, minus her discount, right? And we're going to get $36. Okay. Yeah, we're going to get $36. So she paid $36 for the shoe. Okay, I want to go over this one more time. Okay, Lena has a shoe, it costs $60. She's given a 40% discount. 40% is the same thing as 40 over 100. Right? So we cross multiply, we put the 60 here. We found it to be 24. Now, remember this, the answer is not 24. The discount is 24. So now we subtract the discount from the original cost price of the shoe. $60 minus $24, and the cost price of the shoe now is $36. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget, we talked about ratios, we talked about taxes and percents, and we talked about discounts. Thank you.